What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Benson, aka Lady Arabella, and we have Scott shooting here, and he's shooting Alicia right there. So I'm gonna take you guys on set with me. We're gonna be a day in the life marketing and PR firm in all of its greatness. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we always talk about imaging and being able to get shots that you need to where you can build your social media platforms. So we also have in here Darian and Dennis. Hey. Hello. So we're gonna continue walking around and kind of seeing who else we could find and all the fun and greatness. Alright guys, so I have snagged a model to interview. We have Miss Gabby.
Hi. Hi.
So, talk to me. How long have you been modeling for?
I've been modeling for about 4 years.
Yeah.
I do enjoy doing it. You can tell because I look so fabulous.
Yes. Sometimes you just gotta promote yourself. Gotta promote yourself. Tell me about how long you've been modeling and what you love about it.
I've been modeling for 4 years. What I love about it is, well, the outfits, the different kinds of designs that designers come up with, you know, like what's their inspiration for making these outfits, you know. So I like to explore like the different kind of styles they make.
Nice.
You know, like
what's
something
your
like
favorite
this.
style? Like if you had to have like the most like extreme, like you put it on and you're like, yes, I did that. What would that be?
Maybe streetwear, I would say.
Streetwear?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. So where can people find you if they want to follow you and want to be a part of your career?
I would say probably maybe Instagram as a Facebook. I also do have my own comp card too with my all my information.
Okay.
Contact info on it.
Well,
too.
what's your Instagram? We'll put it right here as she's saying it.
Okay, my Instagram is Angelica Sinue.
No, we'll put it right here. And before we leave the people, what's one thing that you want to say that you can inspire people by your modeling?
Probably like don't just stay in your own comfort zone. I mean, you don't have to stay in your little bubble that you created. Like, I used to be shy, but then I took up modeling, so it really helped me get out more, break out of my shell, you know, become more confident in myself to do other things that I normally wouldn't do. Like, I never thought I'd do modeling, but here I am, being fabulous.
I love that answer because that's such a big thing where people get stuck in their comfort zone and they're afraid of doing something different.
Yeah.
So if you guys weren't inspired by Miss Gabby already, I'm going to put some pictures in. That way you guys can see just how amazing she is.
Yep.
Alright guys, it's been a few days. As you can see, we already had the photos edited, so it's been a few days. But make sure you guys pick which photo that you like the best because all of the models and the business owners are the one with the most votes down below in the comments. Then they get a $25 gift card to Bella Butterfly, which is Arabella's brand. So I hope you guys enjoyed this day on set with me and had some fun just kind of seeing what you do as a marketing and PR firm on a set. I will be doing more of these on this channel as I start to get more going on this channel now that we're open again. We can do more and I can show you more of what we got going on. So make sure you subscribe, like the video if you like it, and comment down below who you thought did the best on the shoot. And until next time, fly high my Bella Butterflies.